Today I'm cooking my family favorite Hokkien Mee for dinner. It has been a long time since I cooked this dish for my family. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 540 grams of Hokkien Mee or flat yellow noodles, 250 grams of kailan, washed, cut with the stem and the leaf separated, 180 grams of cabbage, 500 ml of chicken stock, 250 grams of pork slices, 300 grams of prawns, washed, cleaned and deveined, 140 grams of carrot, cut into thin slices, 5 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2 red chillies, 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 100 ml of water, 6 tablespoons of pork oil, 5 tablespoons of crispy pork lard, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of saucy wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of thick soy sauce. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Marinate the pork slices with 1/3 of salt. Put it aside. Sprinkle another 1/3 teaspoon of salt on the prawns and marinate. Leave it aside. Add 50 ml of water on the tapioca flour. Mix until the flour has dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, put all the pepper in the mixing bowl, oyster sauce, thick soy sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and salt. Mix until well combined and leave it aside. Next, blanch the noodles. Put the yellow noodles in the heat-resistant basin. Add hot water. Spread out and stir the noodles for about 30 seconds. Drain off the water to remove the unpleasant smell of thick yellow noodles. Put noodles back in the basin and soak them with hot water. Cover the basin and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain out the water and leave it aside. Next, switch on the heat. Add 3 tablespoons of pork oil and all chopped garlic. Stir fry and cook for 2 minutes or until garlics become crispy and golden brown. Switch off the heat. Remove the crispy garlic from the pan and leave it aside. There is a bit of oil left in the pan. Switch on the heat. Put in prawns and cook for 30 seconds. Flip the prawns and cook for another 30 seconds. Once prawns are cooked, remove them from the pan and leave aside. Add 1 tablespoon of pork oil in the pan and all pork slices. Spread it around the pan, stir and cook for 1.5 minutes or until the pork change color to gray. Add in the carrot and the kailan stem. Stir and mix. If it is too dry, add in 75 ml of water. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the meat is well cooked while the carrot and kailan stem are soft. Add in all the yellow noodles. Use a pair of tongs to toss and mix the ingredients until well combined. Add in 500 ml of chicken stock and the seasoning sauce that we mixed earlier. Stir until noodles and seasoning are well combined. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 8 minutes or until the gravy comes to a rolling boil. Stir occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 8 minutes, the gravy is boiling. The noodle has absorbed the gravy and seasoning, changing to a darker color. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, it's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Add in the kailan leaves and cabbage. Although the vegetable looks a lot, the volume will reduce once it is soft and cooked. Stir and mix until well combined. Now the vegetables are soft and blend in perfectly with the noodles. Add in the cut chilies and the tapioca flour mix. This will help thicken the gravy. Once the flour water is added, mix as fast as possible to evenly thicken the gravy. Otherwise, the gravy will become uneven with lumps of flour. See, the gravy is getting thicker as we stir. Once done, add in the crispy fried garlic, saucy wine, and the cooked prawns. Switch off the heat. Mix it again. It looks so yummy, and the aroma of saucy wine is so lovely. It blends well with the noodles. Add in a bit of crispy fried pork lard to mix again. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with the crispy fried pork lard. Let's eat. Oh wow, this is so good. The noodles are so smooth and very tasty, blending well with the thick and flavorful gravy. The prawns are fresh and cooked perfectly. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.